rust is blade cancer. But here at BAHR, we do what we can to remove these for you before we even sharpen it. We just use a little padding spray there. I'm gonna have to wipe that later. Yep. Let it sit. Watch the rust turn into a soft stool of oxidated, lower quality, fermented discoloration of this ferrous metal. See that? And that's what that teardrop is for. The more prep work you do, the less sharpening you're doing. Don't put too much pressure doing that because you're gonna end up cutting yourself if you like miss. See you miss the metal, and then you're gonna slip. You don't want to cut yourself. So just a little bit. If you have a Brillo wool pad, do that too. Or one of those steel wools, I guess we call it. There you go. See? Easy peasy. Now watch this. Bam. Look at that. So if you wonder why we